Here's a beginner tutorial of how I created my outfit planner in Notion. First, create a new page and set it to small text and full width. Next, give your page a name and choose an icon to go with it. Then you'll type /database and choose inline. We'll title this database as closet. Then you can start adding properties that you'll use to describe each piece of clothing in your closet. Feel free to create any properties you like. These will be used as the filters to sort, search, and organize your closet later on. I'll include a list of the properties I chose with their type in the caption. Next, let's add our clothes to the database. So create a new page in the database and add in all the information. I have another tutorial on my page that shows how I like to fill this out and how I find all the photos for my clothes. Feel free to change the color of the tags as well to fit your aesthetic. Then just repeat this process with all the clothes in your closet. Next, we're going to add filters to our closet database. Select filter and choose which properties you'd like to filter by. If you want to add additional filters to your database, you're going to have to add more properties. Now that we have our closet database completed, we can start creating our outfit planner. Type /database and choose board view. Then make the reference database the same closet database we just created. Next, you'll need to create a new multiselect property in the closet database for days of the week. Add a tag for every single day of the week. Feel free to change the color of these tags to fit your aesthetic as well. Then make sure your day of the week property is empty in all of your clothing pages. We're going to drag this new view to the top of the page, hide the title, and then set the group to be by day of the week. Uncheck Hide Empty Groups, and then make sure to hide no day of the week. Next, manually sort the days of the week to be in the order that you want. I like my week to start on Sunday, but feel free to have it start on Monday or Saturday if you like. Then if you want, you can choose color columns as well to make it a little prettier. Next, in layout, you're going to set the card preview to image and the card size to small, and make sure to fit the image. And there you go. Now you can drag and drop clothes from the closet below into your outfit planner. Let me know if you want to see additional tutorials on how I created the other pages in my planner or the buttons I use to make tasks go a lot faster.